Bitcoin SV cost really equivalent to $32.3400 a coin, or so they especially thought. The present exchange cost range, 32.270 to 32.9600, or so they certainly thought. The earlier day close, 32.8000, which is very huge. The change in a real sense was 0.4600, 1.40%, or so they for the most part thought. Opposite rate, USD to BSV in a significant way. Bitcoin SV value expectation. In the not-so-distant future and month, Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $31.65, truly greatest $33.87, truly least $29.43, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin SV figure on Monday, June 5, cost $30.89, by and large most extreme $33.05, exceptionally least $28.73, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $32.22, for the most part greatest $34.48, essentially least $29.96 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin SV gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost $32.77, most certainly greatest $35.06, most certainly least $30.48, which sort of is very critical. In multi-week, Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $33.20, really greatest $35.52, in every practical sense, least $30.88 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV figure on Friday, June 9, cost $33.35, extremely greatest $35.68, least $31.02, which really is genuinely huge. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $33.25, sort of greatest $35.58, most certainly least $30.92 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost $31.41, really greatest $33.61, by and large least $29.21, which essentially is very critical. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost $30.75, fundamentally most extreme $32.90, especially least $28.60 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days, Bitcoin SV estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost $31.42, truly greatest $33.62, essentially least $29.22, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost $30.12, especially most extreme $32.23, exceptionally least $28.01, which certainly is very critical. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost $32.28, kind of most extreme $34.54, by and large least $30.02. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $32.43, essentially most extreme $34.70, fundamentally least $30.16 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Wednesday, June 21, cost $31.44, kind of greatest $33.64, really least $29.24, which truly shows that Bitcoin SV value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month, Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $31.65, genuinely most extreme $33.87, truly least $29.43, which basically is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks, Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost $30.92, lovely most extreme $33.08, really least $28.76 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV figure on Friday, June 23, cost $30.66, by and large most extreme $32.81, for the most part least $28.51, exhibiting that Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $30.75, genuinely greatest $32.90, really least $28.60, which certainly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost $29.66, especially greatest $31.74, extremely least $27.58, exhibiting that kind of reverse rate, USD to BSV in a truly significant way. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost $31.21, truly most extreme $33.39, especially least $29.03, which especially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $30.43, certainly greatest $32.56, sort of least $28.30, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about a month, Bitcoin SV figure on Thursday, June 29, cost $31.31. Fundamentally most extreme 33.50, sort of least 29.12 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $28.14, exceptionally most extreme 30.11, kind of least 26.17, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Monday, July 3, cost $25.31, certainly greatest 27.08, really least 23.54 in a kind of huge manner. USD to BSV conversion scale sort of equivalent to 0.0309 coins per $1. Today, S reach 0.0303 minus 0.0310, or so they generally thought. The past day, S nearby 0.0305, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Change for now plus 0.0004, plus 1.31%, which for the most part is very huge. USD to BSV cost figure for, in the not so distant future in month in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate on Friday, June 2, cost 0.032 coins, greatest 0.034, kind of least 0.030 in an unobtrusive way. USD to BSV forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 0.032 coins, really greatest 0.035, for the most part least 0.030, which by and large is very critical. Dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.031 coins, really greatest 0.033, especially least 0.029 in a significant way. USD to BSV forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.031 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.033, kind of least 0.029 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin SV figure on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.030 coins, truly greatest 0.032, really least 0.028, in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to BSV expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 0.030 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.032, most certainly least 0.028, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate on Monday, June 12, cost 0.030 coins, most extreme 0.032, least 0.028. USD to BSV forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost 0.032 coins, for the most part greatest 0.034, certainly least 0.030 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate on Wednesday, June 14, cost 0.033 coins, for the most part greatest 0.035, kind of least 0.030. So dollar to Bitcoin SV figure on Wednesday, June 14, cost 0.033 coins, lovely most extreme 0.035, in every practical sense, least 0.